Hi everybody, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is already on my Etsy and Ko-fi store, but I wanted to just do a video for those that want to, have a good look at what the kit is all about. And this is my latest kit. It is called A Day at the Beach. But now that I look at it, it should have been called Song of the Sea. But nevertheless, it is done. So as I mentioned, on my Ko-fi as well as my Etsy stores at the moment on a 25% discount. I think this kit is about 28 pages, if I'm not mistaken. Wonderful summer kit, and it is 10 main pages. It's got 8 background pages, and it's got 10 ephemera pages. Okay, so let's go through it quickly. So page number 1. So the main pages, I did it with a combination of, if you fold it in half, kind of like that. You've got one image on this side and you've got an image on that side, and then I've done somewhere it's the full page and you can use it wherever you want to. So this is the first one. I absolutely love this page. It could be one of my favorite pages. So that's page number 1. Page number 2. Isn't this awesome? Okay, now I've printed it borderless, so you will see that some of my edges right up until the edge, because I just printed it borderless because I'm too lazy when I do a kit to actually cut out the sides. Okay, so you'll print it how you want to print it. This is A4, but I mean many people buy my kits that are A4 and then they you adjust your printer like how we buy international and adjust ours. Okay, so that is basically page 3. Okay, page 4. Now in the background, I don't think you might see it very clearly, but and even this lighthouse over here. These are pictures. I live in South Africa, and so in the background, even the lighthouse. Well, the lighthouse is a photograph that was given to me, but I can't confirm exactly where in South Africa that was. But in the background and some of these you will find, for example, mountain ranges and stuff like that. They are real. Okay, so this one over here you can't see it properly, but I'm going to show you another one, which is this one here. Now if you look at it, there's a mountain range over there, okay, or a mountain over there. Now this is a real photograph. Yes, so all this is real and I just added to it. And this is on the Western Cape of South Africa, and this is the beach called Blouberg Strand, meaning Blouberg Strand means beach. Okay, Blow means blue, sorry. And then that is the iconic Table Mountain. Okay, so there is Table Mountain there in the background. If you know anything about the Western Cape, and if you were a tourist, you would have definitely gone up with the cable car to Table Mountain. And if you stand on Table Mountain, you can see Robben Island, where Mandela was imprisoned for 27 years. Okay, so, and this is the beautiful Bloubergstrand beach with that iconic view over there as well. Okay, so here these are real. These two are real bird life on Bloubergstrand beach, so you can see the birds over there. Okay, okay, here I also love this page. That's just normal the beach, and here as well just a normal beach photo, and then some line pages like how I normally give it to you. Okay, so that's your 10 main pages. And then the background pages. This is such a lovely page. The colors here are gorgeous. Okay, and then some seashells, starfish over here, that I've added. And here is some seashells. Okay, here. Okay, so these are the background pages that you're seeing now. Here also just a little bit of a background, quite light. You can kind of write on certain parts of it. You can gesso it and write on it. Another background page here. And then I've got these 3 background pages that well, they match the colors of the kit. Okay, so this one in like a lightish orangey, and then one in blue, and then one in purple as well. Okay, and then some ephemera. These 2 go together. Okay, the pattern is from a Friday freebie, the template that I used, and then I just added onto it some whale-tail tabs over there. This is a kind of a pocket that you can use. Over here, what do we have? Just some circles that you can use. Now here's the original photo of Table Mountain taken from Blouberg Strand. That is the original picture, and I really want to thank sweet ladies. There were 2, okay, that allowed me to use their images. Couldn't get my one off the phone, but it was Judy Fenter and then the lady that took these photos over here. Also, there's the bird life over there. So appreciate that they gave me rights to use it. Very grateful for that. And there's your postcards and a nice tag. The colors on this kit are simply marvelous. I'm printing on an inkjet printer, so you can expect a little bit more vibrant if you're on a what's this word, laser printer. Okay, so there's that it's that lighthouse there. It's that lighthouse. That's the original picture, and then I kind of used it, muted it down to be able to use it to match the design on the paper. But that's the original picture of the lighthouse, and there's it all muted down. There's a beautiful bird sitting on a wooden pole over here. Original as well. Some of the shells on the seashore, but I don't think this was in Blouberg Strand. This was another image. Okay, and just some different, I thought I'll give you some different lined ephemera so you can write on them. And then I've increased the size of the tickets over here so you can use them as tuck spots if you want to, or you can use them as journaling cards as well. Okay, and then what do we have here? Also another original image over here. Oh, how beautiful is that? I just love the colors on it. What is it? A mussel? I think an open mussel, if I'm not mistaken, with your labels. Okay, this is a can't get the name. A file folder, like a mini file folder. Okay. Some journaling cards, 2 in landscape and 2 in portrait. As I mentioned, I printed right to the edge of the paper over here, so that is why mine is looking like this. But excuse me, if you use my kits, that they don't go off the edge or anything. I've just printed it that way, and then I realized, I put it on borderless for everything. Silly me. Okay, and then 2 different types of envelopes. You know me, I must have my envelopes, and that is basically the kit. So it is a simply gorgeous kit. I love it. Ladies, I just wish I had the time to work on my make journals of every little kit I design. I mean, not singing my praises, but obviously one has to be proud of the work that they produce, and I simply love, you know, what I produce. Otherwise you won't get it. If it doesn't make the cut with me, you don't see it. Okay, and I think you're gonna have lots of fun working on this kit over here. And I want to thank everybody already that supported me on my Ko-fi and my my Etsy stores, because this kit seems to be a firm favorite over here. Okay, so lovely kit. I love this page over here. I must admit, probably one of my favorites, but there's more. No, my favorite was the other one. The other one. Yeah, but it's definitely you know, very hard to say which is exactly my favorite one here, but all are gorgeous. So do if you're interested in this kit, do you know, hop over to my Etsy or my Ko-fi. The difference between Etsy and Ko-fi is on the Ko-fi site you're going to get the JPEG as well as the PDF version of this. And the next kit to be released, well, it's actually not going to be a kit this time, a full-on kit, but I am making some folios. People have asked me for folios, so I'm going to release a folio for one of my older kits, Strawberry Pickings. So that's probably going to be the next one that I'm going to release. And then the other one I'm going to release is some neutral grunge junk journal basics. So you're gonna have a whole lovely page full of little you know, like sayings, not sayings, little when you see it, you see it. Okay, and then some tags and punch, you know, tabs and stuff like that. Haven't yet fully finished putting that kit together. That is why I say Strawberry Pickings will folio type will be the next one, and then probably the neutral grunge one will be the next one as well. And then I'll go back to doing more full-on kits as well. So in between, in future, I will be releasing all these folios and all these, you know, ephemera stuff, because people have asked for it, and I decided, let me satisfy you. Let me know what you think about, or what you would like to see in my shops. Would you like to see only full-on kits? Okay, because these are your full-on kits. Or would you like to see folios as well as other pieces of ephemera as well? Let me know. Okay. Take care. Lots of love from me, Sannie at Sannie Creates, and I hope you have an absolutely blessed week. Bye bye.